Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do another like Halloween themed makeup look for you guys, because I really loved how the Glam clown turned out, like Joker clown thing. Yeah, I really love these looks. I've always loved gothic-y makeup and Halloween style things. Oh, hello, my chair went down a bit more. Oh, yeah. So I just want to make another one. I know in the other video I done like a voiceover type situation. I might do that again, but however, I think I'm gonna just keep it normal until maybe I get to the eye makeup where I can't bother to talk. I just want to focus on the makeup, and then maybe I'll zoom it up and just do a voiceover. But I'm gonna take you guys through the first few steps at least. So I've already done the foundation, I've already done the concealer. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna get in with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetic palettes as always. So I have the 42 colour eyeshadow matte palette and I have the 28 foil eyes palette. So yeah, so this pink right there, I'm going to go in and just basically go over both of the eyes and then blend it out. So let's go and do that, guys. They will possess you unless you change that number on the dial. And now is the time for you. Right guys, so that's the pink eyeshadow layer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and make a cut crease as usual. So I'm going to go in with my Revolution Conceal and Define foundation and use that as the cut crease base. Pretty face, go! So yeah, so I'm just going to go and put this on this lip brush, which I'm going to assume that's what this is used for. However, it's quite useful to do cut creases with, so even if it's not, I'm going to use it for that anyway. Right, so there you go guys, I've kind of done a bit of a lower cut crease for my eye shape, but I don't really mind that. That's what the person who I'm getting inspiration from does, and it kind of looks quite cool. So I'm going to go in my foil eyes palette. And I'm going to go in with this dark purple down here. I'm just going to go over the eye with that. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go over the bits where the cut crease kind of like folded over when I lifted my eyes up. So I'm just going to go over that with the dark pink and kind of clear that mess up a little bit. Alright guys, so what I'm thinking of doing a halo, which I didn't originally think of, but I always change my mind anyway. Look into my channel. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a lighter purple shimmer, and I'm going to put that as the halo colour. So I'm just going to do another cut crease quickly. Alright guys, I think that's perfectly done, so I'm just going to go and put the lighter purple shade in it. Right, I'm just going to go in and fix a bit of the cut crease because I folded my eyes again, so I'm just going to go and fix that up. There you go. Right, I think that looks a lot better already. Gianna, yes! So what I'm going to do now, I think I might just go straight into the eye plate. So what I mean by that is start doing the eyeliner. By the way guys, I don't know if I've already mentioned, but this is like a full drag transformation. So the last one was just like a makeup look. But yeah, full drag transformation guys, because I've realised they get more views, so. Drag transformation, here we go. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with my lip liner. And that's literally how I line out what shape I want to do. So I'm kind of just going to go and line it out, and then what I'll do, I'll use the eyeliner to get more of a precise kind of drawing for it. So let's go up in the world. It depends what you want to do with this look really. I mean, if you want to go like clubbing, which we won't be this year, you definitely would do everything in eyeliner so it stays on your face more, but if you're just going like, you know, with a kiki of the family or whatever, it doesn't really matter too much. Right, so because I'm not going to the clubs, I'm just going to use this Barry M black lipstick that I've had for years. And I'm just going to use that to fill it in, and also with the lip liner. And what I do just to get the points better, I use a bit of eyeliner just to kind of, you know, make a fierce point with it. So yeah, let's just go and do that. Right, so what I do, and also what I did in my previous Halloween clown joke makeup, is I'm going with NYX eyeliner, but because I don't want to use this actual liquid eyeliner because it's far better than this, between me and you, this rubbish eyeliner from Revolution. I'm just going to go and dip this in the bottle for the Revolution one, so I can use that one up on this look. So I don't have to waste the good quality eyeliner basically. Right, I might not be able to film this bit, guys, so I might just finish off touching up and I'll come back. Right guys, so I'm back. So I've just done the tops of the eyes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do the bottom. I'm going to go back in with Mr. Pencil. But I'm sorry it's like so dark, guys. Literally, winter has been a nightmare to film anything in the UK because it gets dark so quick. And I'm the kind of person that I'm not in the mood to film a video in the morning. I need to wake up. So then it gets to the afternoon, it just gets dark. I'm like, oh, for God's sake. So anyway, it's when I have to get my ring light out if it gets too dark again. So anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do like 3 lines basically coming from the eye, kind of like tears. There you guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and fix it up, go over it with eyeliner and fill it in, and then I'll come back. I feel like I don't really need to film that for you guys. This is basically the pattern I'm going to go for, so yes, it's sickening, I know. Right guys, so I've done it. I'm sorry guys, it's literally like 5:15 and it's getting dark, I can't believe it. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly get a ring light and just throw it behind my phone, so hopefully that helps. I'm going to come back and do that. Right guys, so I hope that makes a bit of an improvement. If not, I apologise. But welcome to the UK weather. Nightmare to film. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a bit of colour where the black bits are, or almost moved. I can't really explain it, you guys just have to see. There you guys, see I've kind of done a bit of pink there. That actually does make a lot of improvements. So, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do as much of a dramatic lip as I did last time, but I'm going to make it just come out to the edges a little bit. But I hope the lighting's okay guys, because it's really frustrating me. So I'm filming like 4 TikToks as well at the same time, and I'm not going to have any lighting to film them now. Things we do for YouTube, my guys. Us digital creators, right? Yes, I see you at the back. So I'm going to go and do the lippy now. It's supposed to midnight, something equals a lurking in the dark. Right, there you go, that'll do. What I'm going to do now, we've still got loads of steps to go guys, this is how these videos are so long. Anyway, so I'm going to go and do this for the nose. Now I'm just going to go with the lipstick and I'm just going to go right in the middle. Well, that's cute, that came out well. That's what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to go in with the blush, the contour, all that kind of jazz to the cheeks. I'm just going to go my palette as always and just, that's the blush, that's the contour. Let's just get into it. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go with the highlighter. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go with that in that metallic BH Cosmetics shade. I might blend that, need to blend that out a bit more. Ooh. Right guys, so I'm pretty sure that's the face. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go in the waterline with a black, and that will be it. So I'm going to go in with LA gel liner in black. There you go guys, so I've done that now, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do probably just, I know, touch out a little bit, and then go and get in drag. So I'm going to come back in a dress and then with the wig on. So yeah, stay tuned bitch. Hey guys, this is the finished look of me for Dragana. Yes, bitch. So, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys found it useful. Hopefully you recreate it for your Halloween look maybe, who knows. If so, let me know. Link me, tweet me, DM me on Instagram, and I'll give you guys a shout out if you recreate any of my looks. So yeah, you know, make sure to subscribe for more content, darlings. And yeah, hit the bell notification to be notified when I put a new video. And if you guys really enjoyed this look, hopefully you stick around and see you guys in the next video for the next look or the next drama or the next mess. Just mess. Because I'm a messy, pretty channel bitch. Yes. Pretty shit. Yes. Messy shit. Yes. And I'll hopefully see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.